So in today's video I'm going to clean the chain of my bike, and I'm going to cover everything as to what I did to clean the chain and what other items that I used in order to clean my chain. So this is the current status of my chain. It is not very dirty because I always clean it within 400 to 500 kilometers. So it will not take a lot of effort for me to clean the chain. Now I'm telling you what tools do I need to clean the chain. First, I need a paddock stand so that I can park my bike like this. And then I have this degreaser. I am not pretty sure about the quality of Makov because this is the only thing I have been using so far, and I haven't used any other brand degreaser for now, so let's see how it goes. But in my last try this works perfectly fine. So this is one thing. Second is the chain lube. I have Motul chain lube. Someone recommended me, so I took this. And then I have this brush. And then I also have disc brake cleaner because I will also be cleaning the disc brakes. And then this bathroom stool so that I can simply sit and clean the chain. So you can see this particular part is very dirty, and there is no point to using any cloth and rubbing it all the time to clean this, because this is going to take a lot of effort and it won't give you good results. So what I will be doing, I will be applying the degreaser on this and will leave it for a while. So I applied the degreaser on it and I will leave it for a while so that it will remove the grease and the dust from the this part. Same thing I'm going to do with the chain. I'm going to apply the degreaser on the entire chain and then I'll leave it for a while. I have applied the degreaser on the entire chain and this part so that it will take few minutes to degrease my chain. It will remove all the dust and then I'll use a cloth to clean it. Now I'm going to use this brush to rub this part so that I can remove the dirt and the grease. So I will complete it and then I'll go to the next step. Now I'm going to use this old cloth to clean my chain. Now I'm going to start the bike and putting it on the first gear. You don't have to hold the brush like this. Instead, you have to hold the brush like this so that it will clean the chain from upside down. And you have to hold this brush very properly, otherwise it will go in the chain line. Now I have to clean the extra oil and the grease from the tire and the chain. Now I am going to apply this chain lube on the bike. And now I am going to clean the extra oil using the cloth. And now I am going to apply the disc brake cleaner. So I will apply this on the disc brake while my tire is spinning. Now let me clean the tire to remove the oil from it. So I'm all set. It took me around 10 to 15 minutes for normal chain cleaning, and this is how my chain looks now. And this is not a paid video, so I'm not recommending any of these products. You can use the product that you like, and you can use the product that are under your budget. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you soon.